Welcome to Hometowns, where I make food from your hometown and tell you if it sucks. Today we have steak de burgo from Des Moines, Iowa. If you were to show me this plate and say, guess where this is from, I would say France. And I would be very wrong because this was created by some farmers in the Midwest. Typically this is made with a beef tenderloin, but I went with a New York strip. I threw it in the oven for about 45 minutes at 180. This method is the reverse sear, where you slow cook it first and then finish it in a hot pan. The fat will render out a bit in the oven, and then the pan gives it that nice sear. At this point it's still just a steak, but what makes it de burgo is the sauce we're gonna make. Now the sauce is gonna be white wine, basil, oregano, thyme, and garlic. Once that simmers out a bit and starts to come together, you're gonna add heavy cream. Because remember, Iowa. At least it's not Nebraska. We're gonna go ahead and let this thicken for a bit, and while we do that, we'll slice the steak. I get my beef from a local farmer, and it makes all the difference. Just when you thought the sauce was done, you need to add butter. My whole goal with this series was to find foods that actually suck. But it turns out there's some really good food everywhere. The sauce is flavorful and rich, and if you know what you're doing, it absolutely